drop serve, may mga restrictions ang pickleball. Okay? So drop serve, kailangan walang extra force. Ibabagsak mo lang talaga yung bola. Ganun. Nasa buhangin kasi tayo, kaya hindi tumatalbog. And then, walang ganan. Okay? Hindi pwede, walang extra force. Hindi pwede iganan yung bola. Pero, kung gusto mong makuha yung trajectory mo ng talbog, pwede mo nang taas yan. Legal yan. Legal. Okay. Basically, this is illegal kasi may extra force. Then, this is legal. This is legal. Okay? So, sa positioning, pwedeng open stance. Okay? Drop. Drop. Low to high. Contact point. Follow through. Drop. Hintayin mong bumalik yung bola. Then hit. Then follow through. Or, mas maganda ay yung sideways position. Okay? Like this. Bend ng konti yung tuhod. Okay? Then low to high. Kailangan yung paddle mo below the waist. Okay? Hindi pwedeng dito. Kailangan below the waist. Okay? That's it. Okay? And then the paddle kailangan below the wrist. Okay, sideways. Hit, contact point, follow through. Bagsak, tira, follow through. Bagsak, hintayin mo tumas yung bola, then ganun lang. Okay. One additional tip. So pag nag-serve ka ng drop serve, kailangan, let's say ito yung guhit, kailangan yung bola anywhere, pwede mo siyang ibagsak. Anywhere, kahit siya. But kailangan behind the baseline ka. Pag tinira mo yung bola, kailangan behind the baseline ka every time na titirahin mo yung bola sa serve. Okay? So, yung drop kahit saan mo siya ibagsak, legal yon. Kasi kailangan behind the baseline ka pag nag-execute ka ng serve. Okay? Sana makatulong yung tip na to sa mga gusto maglaro ng pickleball. Okay? Magandang buhay!